All right.
You'll figure that out at some point. And when you do...
So what do you want?
There are never enough walls to cover your back. Walls up. I can cover your back anywhere in this place. You may not know who I am. We could do with someone like you on our side.
With all due respect, I don't like spending my time acting tough in toilets.
Loners don't tend to last too long in here.
Is inside to cover your back, but until I do, keep a low profile.
Argot here. All I can do in here is use it against them. Inside, Eka. Keeping quiet isn't an option. Here's a start. Find out about that.
Every politician's kid.
Not bad.
He's clean, no connections on the outside at all.
I'm the guy gifting you 5 years. But by sitting here...
Yeah, who do I thank for the fucking 3 years I got given?
that it would make things even? Fair? No.
I need you to talk to Bunawar.
Nah, I'm just here. Don't fuck it up. I rely on you now the same way